Climate change causes these changes in weather patterns. Places that used to be wetter are now drier, and we're having periods of extended drought. It affects all aspects of our life, the air we breathe, the water that we drink, but also affects our own individual health.
Climate change is affecting our most vulnerable populations, and that's low-income communities of color that often don't have access to health care.
It intersects with homelessness, racial and social injustice.
It's going to sort of chip away at the life expectancy and the quality of life of individuals in these communities. They're going to have higher rates of pulmonary problems. They're going to have more hospitalizations. What is the impact and what is the cost of that?
Blue Shield of California is committed to the health and well-being of all Californians. As I think about addressing climate change, I think of it in much the same way we have felt about responding to COVID-19 as a major health issue. So I think it's really important as we, as a company, strive for health equity, that we really prioritize climate change initiatives in a way that addresses this concern for the most vulnerable. We are, first of all, really proud to be a carbon neutral certified company. We've also taken a number of steps to reduce the use of paper, both within our company and for our members, and we're well on our way to reducing our greenhouse emissions. But we know it's not enough, and that's why we've created a bold strategy with 4 pillars. It starts with being carbon negative. Secondly, we want to have zero waste operations. Third, we want to quantify the cost on climate change on human health. And fourth, we want to really adopt and promote climate-smart healthcare. If there's anything the pandemic has taught us, it's that virtual care, telemedicine, is not only an effective way to cope when you're in the midst of a pandemic, but it's a climate-friendly way to deliver healthcare.
I'm proud that Blue Shield has taken a leadership role and become a champion as a company.
We know that addressing climate change matters to our employees, it matters to our members, it matters to the communities that we serve.
And we can essentially save our planet, and not only for ourselves, but for our kids and our grandkids.
Truly, the youth, we are the next generation. We are the next step to making change.
We will never stop working toward improving the environment as we work to protect the people on the planet.